Hi, good morning, everyone. I just making a quick video to inform you all that to be very careful when cooking this morning. In the celebrations and all, to make sure and check on the gas tank. This morning around 4:40, I woke up and heard a whistling song coming from my kitchen. And when I looked, the gas tank below was white. It's not white anymore, but it was completely white or completely around it, and it was releasing the gas. So then I had to go call my father, tell him to come and lock off the gas head to put it outside. Well, we called fire service and they told us to submerge it in water and get rid of the tank after. So just want to inform you all, be very careful. Because these gas tanks have the fault. So be very careful, you all.